Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. It's Hannah, aka The Black Hannah, and today we're dyeing our locks. I want to dye it this orange color, so I'm about to take y'all along with me as I bleach my hair and I color my locks. Yes, I've colored my locks before, but I'm super excited because it's springtime. We're about to enter the summer and I need something bright, something fresh, you know, some new colors since I'm about to hit my 2-year and I haven't colored my hair since before I hit my 1 year. So yeah, let's get into it and we're gonna see how this color comes out. And I'm about to show you guys the products I'm about to use right now.
Ain't no motherfucker in this world could do it like me. Open up your eyes and insert a little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough love in myself.
So now it's time to mix these ingredients together and get to bleaching.
Everything that I lack, everything that I want, and I see, matter of fact. Cause I'm my own worst enemy.
I'm about to tie the top part of my hair up and get started. I'm so excited. This is how much I'm gonna put up. Woo. This is how much is up. This is how much is down. Let me pull some more pieces. This side piece. So this one will start with that's at the bottom. If you're wondering why one of my locks are like married right here, is it this one? I'm trying to combine it. Ryder, stop. Y'all, my dog want to be in here with the chemicals, but why? Hey. So now that we have this consistency going, we're gonna start printing. I read online, that should start, and from watching videos, that should start at the bottom and twist up. Right now I'm just checking to make sure I don't have any rubber bands in my hair because I did have my hair in 2-strand twists and that none of them are married out in the back. They don't need to be. And we're gonna paint. They said start at the bottom. They said to start at the bottom where you already have the color. So paint it on in. Painting it on in. The smell is not for the week. I'm gonna come back to y'all once I do the shit is strong. I'm gonna come back to y'all once I do at least half my head. Woo. All right, y'all, this is the first portion. Whew. Whew. Y'all, it smells is strong in here. Whew. So we're close to 20 minutes in and I'm gonna wash it out because look how bright it is. Look how bright it is. I feel like it's time to wash it out. So I'm gonna wash it out and I'll be right back. I haven't even looked at it yet. I just rinsed it and I put it straight in a towel so that we can see it at the same time, even though I'm gonna have to do the side to see it. So 1, 2, 3. Oh my gosh, it took the blonde. Wait, hold up, I need to dry. Gosh, y'all. Let me stop, but this is it. Oh, I like hate to sound like everybody in the other videos, but I low-key want to leave it like this. Let's see why the girls are like, you know what? Maybe I should leave it like this. I'm not though, because we want this orange. So boom, now I'm about to pour that Adore Me in the bowl and put it on my hair. This is upsetting me and my homegirls because I looked it up. I looked at the bottle, like I checked the bottle again, y'all, and it says orange. This is not fucking orange. This is not orange. We will see at the end. All right, y'all, excuse how I'm holding my neck. I want to show y'all it without, actually now I'm gonna slide this back on because I can't. All right, so this is what's looking like, pretty red. It's looking red as hell and it's pissing me off. So I pray to God it comes out orange like the bottle freaking said. So y'all catch me in 15 minutes when I rinse this out. I will actually catch y'all when I rinse it out. No more wasting time. We're gonna see if it comes out orange because this Adore Me bottle said orange. It said orange, but boom, we're gonna see what happens because now I'm a little man. Are you guys ready to see the grand reveal? Squeeze it a little more and boom, it is like a blood orange. A blood orange. Sheesh. I'm actually glad with how it came out. I was really scared. Now I was really scared. It's gonna look way too red, but this is a blood orange and I'm actually gonna fucking let it. Well, y'all, that is the end of this video. If you're going for a lighter orange, like what I was going for, I would say getting something brighter than the Adore Me orange. But I love how it came out. It's a blood orange. Look at it, y'all. Look at it, look at it, look at it. Y'all, I love it. I hope y'all learned something from this video. And if you're down your lots, let me know how it went. Let me know if you tried the orange from Adore Me and you were like, shocked too when you saw how the color came out. But boom, either way, I really do love it. It's the spice that I needed in my life right now. So if you guys liked the video, please make sure that you comment, rate, subscribe, follow me on Instagram at @theblackcanna, and I will catch y'all next time with more lifestyle and luck and other content. See ya.